Hey everyone, it's Marcello here at Maple Toyota, and we've made this already very special 2023 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro even more unique with some Toyota genuine accessories. Let's go take a look. Starting with the front of the vehicle, we've added a genuine Toyota hood deflector, which is going to help take care of some of those stone chips. We've also added a genuine Toyota soft tri-fold tonneau cover, a rear bumper step. To help prevent from any door dents or dings from other vehicles, we've added a Toyota genuine body side molding kit. We've also added some pretty cool looking TRD Pro Insert Badges for the rear tailgate. What do you guys think? Check out that little Toyota Tundra going up that hill. To help set your mind at ease, we've even added a genuine Toyota dash camera. Now, the iForce Max on the TRD Pro already performs amazingly, but to help it just a little bit, we've added a TRD Performance Air Filter under the hood. Now that we've showed you all of the genuine Toyota accessories, let me show you what we've added from us here at Maple Toyota. Let's take a look. That's right, to help give it that very sporty appeal, we've added front window tint. And have you noticed that the shine and luster on this white paint pops and stands out? Well, that's because we've applied a ceramic coating polish to the exterior of this TRD Pro Tundra. And there you have it, everyone, a fully accessorized 23 Toyota Tundra. All of these accessories available here at Maple Toyota, so check us out online or give us a call.